Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Shehzad and you're guys watching my YouTube channel Skill Set with Shehzad. Okay, a lot of requests from my subscribers. They said that we want to know how to design a campus network and how we can configure that. So today we'll make a small campus network, and I will not make more complicated. So we will use all layer 3 and some VLANs we will do, and then we'll make a campus network. Okay, first of all we'll design our data center, and we'll I'll make a shape for my data center, and I'll fill a color green so we can recognize this is our data center. Here we go, this is our data center, and then we have one building. It's and then we have another building. I'll try to change it, the color, and then we have another building. Change another color. Okay, and then we will go another building. Okay, and then we will have another building. So we'll make 6 to 7, 6 buildings. Okay, so here is our buildings, and one is our main corporate data center. Okay, so mostly what we do, we have one switch in our data center, 1 and 2 for redundancy. Okay, a new technology called VSS. So VSS, Cisco VSS, mostly we configure this Cisco VSS between these two, and these two switches become you can say a logically one switch. You got my point? When this one becomes a logically one switch, then the other building switches, IDFs, can connect to this building. Okay, redundant way. For example, we'll connect this one to 1 and second to second. Okay, so we can use this one, and this one we can use another one here, sorry, and this one a redundant way will connect to other switch like this. Okay, so if we have the best practice, when we have these two as a VSS configured, they have links together also. Two links called VSL links, and one another link we call hello link, which keep looking on these two links which one is active and which is standby. So then what we do, if it is VSS configured, we make a port channel between these two, like this one is a one port channel, and here also we can configure, because we configured VSS here, and logically these switches are one switch. But as of now, it's a Cisco packet tracer. There are some limitations. We cannot configure VSS, so we'll keep it as a separate. Let's connect the second one. Same. Don't think so. It will connect gigabit and then fast Ethernet. So we'll use all other fast Ethernet. (24) 24 23 24. This one 24 23 23 23. Similar, this one 24 22 23. This one 22. Again, this one 24 21 and 21. So these are our data center and different buildings. Then what we do, we have access switch here, and we have computers here. Okay, so I will have two computers, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 10. So we have these computers with different subnets. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4. So we'll make a connection straight Ethernet to 1 2 1 2 1 and 2. Here. Similar, we'll do here to here, here to here, and then cross over 1 to 1, and then second to second. So we'll make a port channel between these two, so it will not to 1 2 1 to 1, and then 2 to 2. Okay, hopefully it will work. gigabit and fast, no issues. Okay, so we have a port channel also between these two. So you can see the port numbers. I'm stretching them down. Okay, so mostly these are the scenario. We have IDF 1, we have IDF 2, we have IDF 3, we have IDF 4, and then we have IDF 5, and then we have data center. Okay, so now you can see we have different IDFs and we have different peoples. Most of in my network projects, I will never stretch a VLAN when we have a inter VLAN routing here. I will never stretch 10 VLAN here and in another building. I will create a new VLAN. Instead, if a compulsory to have a and same member sitting here in this building, but mostly in the campus network, counts people are sitting here, HR is sitting here, nobody is mixed, the IT department is different. So the reason, if you stretch a VLAN 10, one PC here and one other here, routing will come here and high process CPU will be on these two. It's going there, here, going there for here. So I suggest always design VLAN 10, VLAN 11, VLAN 12, VLAN 13, VLAN 14. So 14, 13, 10 and 11. So design like this. They can ping each other, but in a proper way, and your load will not be there on these two routings. Okay, so these are the leaves, and sometime we make routing on a core switch. Okay, so we'll bring a core here, a core switch. Now because we cannot make a VSS here in packet tracer, so we need a one guy to make a core switch. I'll make a 4 to 1, and then this is 4 to 2. So we'll run our inter VLAN routing on this guy. Okay, so this is the way most of the time people make the data center. Okay, another thing, in the data center we always have some of the servers having a server room. Here we go. in this we have some different servers, like this server as a web, as a DNS, or any other service you want. So we can have that 3 servers. Okay, and then we have switches connected here. Okay, and then this switch connected to core. To a leaf switch. Let me go to this way. To 5. Okay. So server farm is also connected here. So 1, 2, 3. So our server is also connected here. So let's see what we can do. This server, which service we gonna run? Service. You can make on, and name we can give lab.com. Add. Okay, we have to give the IP address for the server. Our DNS. Okay, homelab.com, a racket, and it's our server 100, or we can make it because server VLAN will change it, so we'll make it 50. Save. It's 50 now. Okay, this is DNS server homelab.com. Then another service we can run, like HTTP service, which is on. HTTPS is also on. Okay, these are the indexes. You can create on and on. My name, website, .html will be here. Okay, yes, override. Now if we see, we'll come back into our service. A new name is here, my name.html, file name. Hello guys. Okay, so we'll go DHCP. No need, we run second. This is the HTTPS service. Hello world is there, copyright is there, my name.html is there. Okay, we will do, this is the web service. Okay. And this is our web server. Another service we can run here in this server, like email service, on SMTP, POP also on, username, password, domain name you can set, homelab.com, user 1, password ek123, set, add. Okay, so these two services we can run. No, here we'll come here, VLAN 10. We will design our networks now. Here we will give a network 10.0.24. Here we will use 11.0/24. Here we'll go 12.24. Here we'll go 13.0/24. Here we'll go 14.0/24. So these are our VLANs, and then we have VLANs networks. Okay. Fine. So first of all, so our here VLAN, server VLAN will be is 50 network. This is the network. So we'll get this one, configuration, physical desktop, IP configuration. So we'll give 10.10.10 50.1 0, and to last IP we'll use as a gateway. DNS is this guy itself. Okay, right? So in the DNS service we use 100, so let's make it 100. 50.100 DNS is this. Okay, so we'll go desktops, configuration, physical desktop. Okay, done. Command prompt, ipconfig, ping my homelab.com. See, it's replying. So homelab is pinging. Okay, so this is, and this is our web server. Let's give it 10.10.50.101. This is our another email server. We'll give 10.10.50.102. Okay, let's configure this one. Okay, web server 10.10.50.101. HTTPS is 100. Okay, let's see if we can resolve the DNS. Same range. Yes, he can resolve the DNS. Okay, let's see the HTTPS is working or not. Okay, HTTPS / give the web page what we make. Just hold a second, we'll check. We made myname.html. So myname.html we will open on a DNS server, and let's see it's reachable. Or first I will go with the IP address of the server. Sorry, whichever web server, go. Okay, see, welcome to the packet tracer, opening door for this. The website is opening. Okay, back. So which website, which page is index is coming, copyright is coming, this one is coming, image is coming. So by default our web server is giving this all the files. Okay, yalla, web server is also working. Let's go for email. This is 102, configure IP address 10.10.50.102. Zero 254 100 is the DNS. Okay, so we'll check email first. Okay, our name is like Amer, our username user1, user1 homelab.com. So it's 10.10.50.102 102 user1 PAK123. Save. Okay, compose. User2, hi, how are you? We didn't make the user2. Let's see. Send success. Mail delivery notification failure because user2 is not there. So let's see, we can make user2 here, email service, email, add a user, user2 PAK123, add. So 2 users add. Okay, so here let's see if it is internally going or not. Again, okay, email, retry, send to user2, how are you? Another failure. Okay, so we'll check with our user 1 to user 2. Okay, let's send again. Compose a new to user 2 @homelab.com. Test email. Hi man, how are you? Send. Okay, receive. Okay, next we will do one more thing. Okay, home lab. Okay, we will check this service on our client, these clients. We will see. Okay, no issues. When we will make a reachability. Okay, so these servers are up. We gave IP addresses. We have a VLAN. Let's make configuration for this switch. No. Host name. Server switch. VLAN 50. Name servers. VLAN. Okay. Exit. Write memory. Show interface status. So first we will bring into connect interface range fast 0/1 2 3 switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 50, no shut, exit and write. So this switch is configured because it's connected to the other switches, so we'll make it trunk. Show interface status. These two also connected, so we'll go from T interface range gigabit 1/0/1 and 2 switchboard mode trunk, switchboard encapsulate trunk encapsulation .1q, switchboard mode trunk, no shut, exit, and description connected to leaf suite. Okay, exit right. Show int status. So we have configured 2 trunk going to up and 3 servers in our 50 VLAN. Okay, this switch is done. Let's go configure this switch for the routing. First of all, host name will make core switch, and exit, show interface status. Here 2 connected to the leaf switches. Interface range fast 0/1 to 2 switchboard mode trunk. Okay, switchboard trunk encapsulation .1q, again switchboard mode trunk, shut, no shut, exit and write. So this is done. Show interface status. So 2 cables are connected and both are connected to our these 2 switches. One is here, one is there. Okay, let's go this guy. As of now, all the connected should be trunk. No. Enable conf t host name I'll make it leaf 1. Exit, show interface status. How many connected? So here, as we know, there is no PCs connected, so we'll make all trunk. Conf t, I'll make it all range. Conf t interface range fast 0/1 to 24. Switchboard mode trunk. Okay. Switchboard trunk encapsulation dot 1q. Switchboard mode trunk. No shut. Exit. Exit. Show interface status. Now we can see the last two is remaining. This one we can do also. Interface range gigabit 0/1 and 2. Switchboard trunk encapsulation dot 1q. Switchboard mode trunk. No shut. Exit and write memory. Okay, so leaf 1 is configured also. So let's go for leaf 2. No. Interface conf t. Host name leaf 2. Interface range fast 0/1 to 24. Switchboard trunk encapsulation dot 1q. Switchboard mode trunk. No shut. Exit. Interface range gigabit 0/1 and 2. Switchboard trunk encapsulation dot 1q. Switchboard mode trunk. No shut. So this one also all is trunk. Okay, so these two also configure. Let's go this guy. Okay, let's go this guy, first one, and we'll say IDF 1 switch. Okay, here we go. Enable configuration T, host name IDF1. Exit. Now we'll see which ports are our uplinks, so we'll make it trunk. Okay, these two are already trunk because 1 and 2 is connected with this. We can say show CDP neighbors. No device is yet connected to him. Okay, this trunk is auto because there sometime it's a auto negotiation, that's why it took trunk, but we'll force it trunk. Interface int range gigabit 0/1 and 2. Switchboard encapsulate trunk encapsulation dot 1q. Switchboard mode trunk. Shut, no shut. Exit right. Okay, status. Okay, these are connected, and we can see 23rd and 24 also connected. This should also be trunk, but it should be in a port channel with this guy. So we'll create a port channel here. No fill color. So we'll create a one port channel. Sorry. This one. So we'll create a one port channel like this. Here it will be port channel. It goes on the back, but here will be a one port channel. Okay, so 23, 24 is connected to this way. Okay, enable show interface status. This one is connected. Okay, conf t interface port channel 10 switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q switch port mode trunk exit. Now interface range fast 0/23 and 24 switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q switch port mode trunk and channel group 10 mode active. Okay, exit. Let's see, show ether channel summary. We can see this side, this one is still in II and still not yet formed. Okay, so we'll do right. Okay, show interface status. So all is trunk. Port channel 1 is also there, also trunk, and there is 0 and 1 on the other switch. We'll go now. Access switch IDF 1, enable conft hostname access dash IDF 1. Okay, and do show interface status. We can see here only 2 is connected, 1 and 2 to PC, but here we'll make it trunk. Okay, interface port channel 10. Okay, port channel. Okay, there is no 10, so we'll go 1. Enter switch port mode trunk, no shut, exit, and it's gigabit interface range 0/1 and 2 switch port mode trunk, channel group 1 mode active. So it is configured now. Okay, show interface status. So we have 1 port channel here and 2 trunks already inside the port channel. So we'll go show port channel summary, show ether channel summary, sorry. Okay, it's passive because other side also configured. See, it will go direct to green. Okay, let's create a VLAN also, because this IDF, this access switch belongs to VLAN 10. VLAN 10, name IDF 1, exit, and I will put my 2 interface range fast 0/1 and 0/2 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, no shut, exit, right, memory. Status, here we'll see, so 2 PC connected, and then our ether channel is up. Let's make ready these 2 computers. Desktop, I'll give a IP address to this guy, .10.1, and here I will go 10.10.10.2. okay, so let's configure this one. IP address 1, gateway is 254, This is one, and this one is 50 dot, sorry, DNS is 50.100. Okay, similar on the other side. 254.0, and gateway, this one is 50.100. Okay, IP config. Can I ping my neighbor? One. Yes, I can ping because we are connected on the same switch. Let's go. Can I ping my gateway? No, I cannot ping my gateway because I haven't configured any gateway yet. Let's see our home lab if my DNS can resolve this. Our name, homelab.com. No, it cannot because it's not reaching to the server. So let's let them reach these two guys to the other side. I will close, and we'll fix this guy, then this guy, then this guy, then this guy. Okay, here we go. No, conf key. Let's do one more thing. Do show interface status. Okay, so these two is the trunk ports to up. These two also trunk, but in a port channel, and these two. Okay, so we'll go conf T. Okay, we are already in. We'll go interface range fast 0/23 to 4, switchboard mode trunk. Okay, switchboard trunk encapsulation .1q, switchboard mode trunk, no shut, and we'll come back down because these gigabits are connecting to this switch. We'll make a port channel here. To show interface status, if you see, these two will make a port channel. Interface port channel 10, switchboard trunk encapsulation .1q, switchboard mode trunk. Now I'll go out, interface range gigabit 1/0 and 2, switch sorry, gigabit 0/1, sorry, 0/1 and 2, switchboard trunk encapsulation .1q, switchboard mode trunk, and channel group 10 mode active. Okay, we'll do right, show ether channel summary standalone status. So you can see, guys, it's up. This one is a port channel. To downwards, this is to the leaf switches, and we'll close this one. We'll make this guy up and running. Enable conf T hostname access -IDF2. Do show int status, so we can see These will put in a port channel which is going up, and these two connected to the VLAN 20. Okay, interface port channel 1, switchboard mode trunk, switchboard trunk encapsulation. There is no encapsulation on command on this one. Exit, interface range gigabit 0/1 and 2, switchboard mode trunk, channel group 1, mode active. Okay, okay, right. Show interface status. Okay, show ether channel summary passive. That's great. Okay, so now we'll configure VLAN here as well. 20. Okay, VLAN 20, name IDF 2-VLAN. Okay, and exit, show interface status. So we'll go show INT status. Okay, the first two we'll put into VLAN first 0/1 and 2, switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 20. Exit, right, show INT status. Okay, done. So this is our 20 VLAN. Okay, so what we will do, I will bring these two IDF 1 and IDF 2 to our server room to access to the servers, and you guys can similarly connect to other buildings similar way. Sorry, here will be 1. So I will connect here, configure here. So IP 0, default gateway will be 254, and DNS is 100. Similarly for this guy, we'll go second 2, 0, gateway will be 4, and DNS 100. Okay, so first take the path VLAN 10 we have here. It should be here also. This guy also should have VLAN information. VLAN 10, name IDF 1, exit, right. This guy also should have a VLAN information 11, because here is already we configured 11. VLAN 11, name IDF 2, exit, right, show VLANs. Okay, so these two guys should also have information about these two VLANs. VLAN 10, name IDF 1, VLAN 11, name IDF 2, exit, right, show VLANs. These guys have, this guy have, this guy also should have 2 VLANs. T VLAN 10, name IDF 1, VLAN 11, name IDF 2, exit, right, show VLANs. Okay, and this guy should have also information. regarding these two. T VLAN 10 name IDF1, VLAN 11 name IDF2. Exit. Okay guys, so now we have to create in these two VLANs SVIs. Okay, VLAN 10 SVI will be 10.254 and VLAN 11 SVI will be 10.10.11.254. okay, so these will be the gateways. Okay, and these SVIs we have to configure in this. Go there. Okay, interface VLAN 10 IP address 254.0 no shut exit interface VLAN 11 IP address 254.0 no shutdown exit right show IP interface brief, so we can see the both is up. Okay, so now we'll go IP routing enable. So here in this core switch we'll start IP routing enter. So now this guy is doing layer 3 routing also on a core switch. But one more thing, we haven't created SVI for this VLAN 50 for the server VLAN. This one also we will create VLAN 50 SVI and then 50254. So VLAN is 50, so we'll create another VLAN. Okay, make it VLAN first. 50 name server VLAN exit interface VLAN 50 IP address 10.10.50.254.0 no shut exit right show IP interface brief. Now we can see all three VLANs up. Okay, now the thing is our path is connected, but this guy still don't have information regarding the other VLANs. Let's ping from here to any of the server. Okay, IP config. I will ping my gateway first. Let's see if we can reach the gateway. Yes, we can reach to the gateway. Let's see if I can reach to 100 my DNS. No, because this guy don't have any information regarding that VLANs. Let's see, give him our VLAN information. Enable show interface status. Okay, show VLANs. Doesn't have. So VLAN 10 name IDF1 VLAN 11 name IDF2 yes, it has now. Let's see if this guy can ping again. 200. Still not. Okay, let's see from the server if we can ping our gateway to the server side. Okay, this guy cannot ping because these two guys don't have VLAN 50, so they are discarding the packets. You got my point? Show VLAN because servers are connected to our leaf switches. See, they don't have. So 20 VLAN 50 name server VLAN. Exit right. Similarly to this guy, we'll give information. Doesn't have a 50 VLAN. VLAN 50 name server VLAN. Right. Okay. Now let's see if this guy still can ping to his gateway. Yeah, it can ping now. See, the reply is there. Let's see, this guy can reach to the again to the DNS server. Yeah, it can reach to the DNS server. So now we can check our ping homelab.com. Enter. Wow, it's replying. Our home lab is working. See guys, similar way you can connect these two guys also, these three branches, IDF 3, IDF 4 and IDF 5. Similar way with the layer 3 routing, you can easily connect with your leaf and then switches. And similarly, you have to give information of all the VLANs to them and it will make you ping. Okay guys, thank you. We have our video completed today. If you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.